everyone, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to do a install and review on these are the 7-inch off-road lights from Vic Off-Road, and special shout out again just to Vic Off-Road USA for sending us these lights. Now these are going to come in handy. I'm assuming they are very bright. I haven't even seen them or connected them yet, but we're going to go ahead and do that. They come complete with you know, an actual plug, full plug, so it's just basically a little bit of you know, connecting wires and all that good stuff. They do send you. So like I said, thank you Vic Off-Road USA for sending us these lights. They look phenomenal. Very durable. This looks very heavy duty, as you guys can see. And this right here is the bracket that I'm talking about in question. These are the brackets that we'll be using for the mounting of these lights on top of the roof. So we'll go ahead and show you that right now. I also want to mention these fog lights are 11,700 lumens. In the middle right here we have a more, you know, concentrated, narrow lighting, and this one is the one that's more, you know, open. It does have a waterproofing seal here, and it's the heat dissipation back here as well, these fins, so that's pretty cool as well. But let's get right to installing them. I want to go ahead and show you guys we have a full wiring for it, and of course it's for you know, you have your fuse here, your on and off button that will be running to the inside of the truck. And check these lights out, they're insane. They're very big, very durable looking, very durable look. So as you guys know, this is going to go, this right here will go towards the battery. We have the relay, we have our own fuse, and then we're going to run this guy down. Y'all see that grommet right there? That one right there, we're gonna run this straight in there. Very simple, just pull it back and you can put it in through there, and it's going to come out right there. So then you can put it in through there, run the wire out here, and you know, probably what I'm gonna do is just run the wire and stick it back here. I mean right here, it does have 3M tape, so you can just stick that right there like that. So let's go ahead to connecting this. So what we're going to do is go ahead and loosen these nuts right here, and we're going to go ahead and put these there. Do is get the other side and just do the same, put it under this, and there you go. Just time to put these together, so let's go ahead, check that out. Looks so sharp, crazy, can't wait to turn them on. So let's get right to putting them together. So the lights will go like this. Just make sure you have this way, and I'll show you right now when we finish. All right, so first things first, in order to install these lights, you're going to use these little black tabs, and then this is going to go like that. So there you have it, and now this has room to swivel. The way to tell if you're installing this bracket correctly is this indentation like that, and the light facing forward. All right, we got one down, and let's go ahead and connect it. It also includes this. So I already connected this, and let's go ahead and connect it onto the truck. Next, what you're going to do is put the red with the red, black with black, and then you just connect it back on here. Here's your light, and now I'm gonna put these up there on the rooftop for now until I get a bar on this truck, which is where they're going to go. They're going to be on a bar in front here. That's where I'll probably be putting these lights. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the truck, I'm going to button this up, put these lights up there. right now I just wanted to show you the wiring, but this wiring is going to go tucked over there, and they're gonna run to each light for now, until once I get the bar in the front, and then I'll run this wire to the side and into here, like the front area. But for now, we're just gonna go run it through the back over there. Give me a chance here. I'm just gonna button this up, and then we're gonna see how bright these are. Okay guys, so I know it's dark right now, but there's an empty field that way, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the lights right now. They're very bright, let me tell you this much, like extremely bright. So give me a sec. All right guys, so check it out. Holy cow. These on, off,